What's up, everybody? This is Patrick. I want to show you a few things I got lately. I got some vintage stuff, and then I got some new stuff. I've shown this in another video. It's the Plum Motocross Redline Super Van. Smoked out windows. This one doesn't have marker lights on the side. Pretty much dead mint. And then I got a deal on one. Pretty much the same. I might use it for trade bait on some more super vans I don't have. I don't have the Jeffrey. I don't have the both King radios. I don't have the 75 Toy Fair. So I may use it for trade bait. This one's pretty much dead mint too. And then I got another variation with the side marker lights right there up front. Those two don't have it. This one is not quite mint, but that's a little bit rare. I don't know if it's rarer or the same number made, but it seems like this one's harder to find with the marker lights. I like my super vans. I've shown them all in videos before. And then I'm chasing the 1995 treasure hunt. I'm a third of the way there. Got the Stutz Blackhawk. And then I got Rolls Royce Phantom 2. The protector's a little discolored, but these are in good shape. I'm gonna try to get it set, but I'm not paying full-blown retail on that Camaro. I'm gonna try to maybe do some trading too with some of my other vintage stuff. Try to anyway. Nomad. And I got a 31 doozy. I got some newer stuff last night. A friend of mine told me some dump bins were hitting in my area, but if they're in the back, they're not bringing them out. I went again today after work. I don't know what case code it is, but they're not bringing it out if they got them. But I did find these last night, yes. And I actually got the whole set because I think it's a smoking set. 76 Chevy Monza. Let me show the Skyline again. I found two Skylines, and then I got the rest of the cars. I really like this one, 76 Greenwood. I think it's killer. Killer. You know me, I like vintage stuff, but I collect this new stuff, the cool new stuff that I like. Porsche 930. Smoking. For some reason, I really like this silhouette car culture. Smoking. Last but not least, 78 Porsche 935 778. So the card art. Really like that. Awesome color combination. Sick. Man, I done forgot which ones I showed and which ones I didn't. Show them again real quick. Smoking. Show you the back. Little haul, little old stuff, little new stuff for you. Keep making your videos. I'll keep watching. See y'all later.